Hello, I am Lokesh. Now, our topic is the current status of coronavirus in Tamil Nadu. Coronaviruses are genetic pathogens that are present in humans and various animals with a wide range of clinical features from asymptomatic course to requirement of hospitalization in the intensive care unit, causing many infections in respiratory, gastrointestinal, hepatic, neurologic systems. The global outbreak of coronavirus disease 2019 challenged the medical facilities services all over worldwide with more than 200 countries affected by the pandemic effects. The coronavirus belongs to the genus coronavirus in the Coronaviridae. All COVs are pleomorphic RNA viruses characteristically containing crown-shaped peplomers with 80 to 160 nanometers in size and 27 to 32 kb positive polarity. Recombination rates of COVs are very high because of constantly developing transcription errors and RNA department on the RNA polymerase jump. WHO and Indian government are taking many efforts to control the spread of the virus rapidly among humans. All over country followed many strategies such as self-quarantine, social distancing and 40 days countrywide lockdown. Our critical review focuses on the implications of COVID 19 in India, especially Tamil Nadu current scenario along with report and strategies employed for the pandemic control. This is the machine which tests for the temperature in human body whether it is stable or not. This is the statistics of COVID cases in Tamil Nadu. You can go through this. Number of active cases on date, that means 13/5/2021, 1,83,772, and you can go through this. District wise COVID cases in Tamil Nadu. This is the statistics of district wise COVID cases in Tamil Nadu. Precautions to be taken for COVID 19. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol if soap and water are not available. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and other people. Wear cloth face coverings in public settings where other social distancing measures are difficult to maintain. Symptoms for COVID 19. Most common symptoms for COVID 19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, and less common symptoms are aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, discoloration of fingers or toes. Serious symptoms difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain, pressure, loss of speech or movement. Treatments. Isolate yourself in a well ventilated room. Use a triple layer medical mask. Discard mask after 8 hours of use or earlier if they become wet or visibly soiled. In the event of a caregiver entering the room, both caregiver and patient may consider using N95 mask. Mask should be discarded only after disinfecting it with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Take a rest and drink a lot of fluids to maintain adequate hydration. Follow respiratory etiquettes at all times. Frequent hand washing with soap and water for at least 40 seconds. Don't share personal items with other people. Ensure cleaning of surfaces in the room that are touched often. Monitor temperatures daily. Monitor oxygen saturation with a pulse oximeter. Connect with the treating physician promptly if any deterioration of symptoms is noticed. Conclusion. Pandemic is not new in human history, but what makes the COVID 19 pandemic special is that it takes place in an unprecedented backdrop when the interconnectivity and interdependence between people, between countries, and between continents are so deep. The achievements people have made in technology, intelligence, and transportation make them both physically and psychologically globalized. At last, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, Chandrakala ma'am, for guiding me in this project.